Welcome to the Lawe Popo channel. In this video we will discuss the single-acting hydraulic cylinder. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe. A single-acting hydraulic cylinder uses hydraulic pressure to move the piston in one direction only. The return movement is achieved by an external force, such as a spring, or the weight of the load. This simple design makes it durable and easy to maintain. The main components are the barrel, piston rod, and end caps. Hydraulic oil enters through a single port to extend the piston. When pressure is released, the spring pushes the piston back. Single-acting cylinders are commonly used where work is done in one direction. They are ideal for clamping, lifting, and pressing applications. The design is compact and suitable for limited space operations. They are often mounted vertically or horizontally depending on the task. The hydraulic pressure is controlled by a valve to manage piston movement. Proper sealing prevents oil leakage and maintains pressure efficiency. The return spring must be strong enough to retract the piston fully. In some designs, gravity helps retract the piston instead of a spring. The operating pressure of single-acting cylinders varies from 70 to 700 bar. The speed of extension depends on oil flow rate from the pump. Smaller cylinders use less oil and are more energy efficient. They are commonly found in car jacks and hydraulic presses. Agricultural equipment also uses single-acting cylinders for lifting tools. Construction machinery uses them for simple lifting and pushing operations. Industrial automation sometimes integrates them into production lines. Maintenance includes checking oil levels and inspecting seals regularly. Contaminated oil can cause internal wear and performance loss. Always bleed air from the system to ensure smooth movement. Avoid overloading the cylinder beyond its rated pressure. Regular lubrication prevents corrosion and extends service life. When properly maintained, single-acting cylinders last for years. Understanding their operation helps in designing efficient hydraulic systems. Let us explore how to calculate the output force of a single-acting cylinder. The output force equals the hydraulic pressure multiplied by the piston area. Example: if pressure is 100 bar and piston area is 10 cm Fa, the force is 10, 0 N. Cylinder stroke length determines how far the piston can extend. Longer strokes allow greater movement but require stronger support. Cylinder mounting affects stability and load alignment. Misalignment can cause side loading and premature wear. Always ensure the piston rod moves straight without bending. The seal material must suit the operating temperature and fluid type. Incorrect seals can lead to oil leakage and system failure. The rod surface should be smooth to reduce friction and seal wear. Corrosion on the rod can damage seals and reduce efficiency. Use protective boots or wipers to keep dust away from the rod. Hydraulic oil cleanliness is critical for smooth operation. Contaminants like dirt or water can damage internal surfaces. Always use recommended hydraulic fluid for the best performance. Cylinders should be tested for leaks before installation. Test pressure should not exceed 1.5 times the working pressure. Common problems include slow movement, internal leakage, or weak retraction. Slow movement often means low oil flow or blocked line. Internal leakage happens when seals are worn out. Weak retraction could indicate a broken spring or trapped air. Regular inspection helps detect issues early and avoid downtime. Store cylinders in a dry place and protect the rod surface from dust. Always relieve system pressure before disconnecting any hydraulic line. Use proper fittings and hoses to prevent oil leaks or bursts. Safety is vital when handling high-pressure hydraulic systems. Single-acting cylinders remain a reliable choice for simple, efficient motion. Their simplicity makes them affordable and easy to repair. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engineering videos from ALP.